In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a goat funded trader challenge with bank transfer. I'm actually going to be purchasing an account from goat funded trader in order to show you step by step how it is done. So pay attention and watch this video closely. So I'm going to drop the link to goat funded trader in the description of this video. If you use that link, it's actually a discount link, so if you use the link, you'd get cheaper prices. Alright, and it's also an affiliate link, so if you use that link, I'll also get a slight commission at no extra cost to you. So the very first thing, once you click on that link, is going to bring you to this page, and what you need to do, it has selected an account already, so what you just need to do is to edit it to your own taste. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on edit, and I'm going with the two-step goat model. Alright, this two-step goat model has a lower profit target, but it also has lower daily drawdown. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm going to go with the 5k challenge, and I'm using MetaTrader 5 because that's what I like, and that's basically what is popular. Alright, so as you can see, this is the price right here. It has applied, I think it has probably applied one coupon code or so. So the next thing, as you can see, it has showed you the price and different methods you can pay with. So you just keep scrolling down. Now you can also add add-ons. Now if you add this add-on, you'll be able to get 100% profit split on your reward instead of 80%. Now the beautiful part is that if you are going with a big account size, maybe like the 50k or 100k, it's going to actually result in a lot of money for you. But right now, me, I'm not going with it. Then you can also add this one as well, which will give you the option to get on demand payout for your first payout. All right, so when you add any of these add-ons, as you can see, the price that you pay will increase. So me, I'm not adding it because I want to pay $17. All right, so you can buy two. So you can choose to buy just one account, or you can choose to buy two or three or five accounts. But personally, I would recommend that if you have the money, you go with the two accounts, because the more accounts you buy, the cheaper it will be. But I think the best one is these two accounts. Why? Because it's going to spread your risk. Don't go with the three accounts, don't go with the four accounts. That's my own take personally. But I think this two accounts is better. It will spread your risk and give you more chances of passing. But me, I'm going with the one. I'm just going with one account. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to put in your billing details. Put in your active email address, your first name, your last name. As you can see, I'm in Nigeria. This one is it has already been filled. Your street name, just fill in this thing correctly, exactly all your information, put it there. All right, then what you also do is, at this point, what I'm going to use, I'm not using this code, I'm using the bogo 40 code. Bogo, yes, bogo 40, the bogo 40, yes. So this is the discount code that I'm using because it's going to give me, this one is buy one get one free. So depending on when you're watching this video, this code might no longer be active because they are constantly running different promotions. So depending on when you're watching it, this code might no longer be active, but that's the code that I am personally using. I'm just going to pause the video and put all of my details, my email address, my name, and my house address. So as you can see, this is the coupon code applied here. You can see the actual price, and then this is the price I'm going to pay. So I'm going to choose this one because of this Cora Pay right there. Then I'm going to place the order. So as you can see, that's my name. I could choose to pay with my card or MasterCard, but I just want to use bank transfer. So I'm going to choose Cora and then pay. So as you can see, this is the amount that I'm to send. So I'm to send 23,314 naira. So I'm just going to copy that amount. So you can see they said transfer only the exact amount, do not save or use your account. So I understand. Continue. So this is the bank account I'm to send the money to. So I'm just going to copy the bank account, the Sterling Bank. The account number is Sterling Bank. So I will go next. I will go to pay the amount. Then I'll just paste the account number here, just paste the account number there, and then I'll go back to that page and just copy the amount, because they said we should send the exact amount. So I'm just going to copy that amount and then come here, paste it here. So description, I'm going to leave the description blank because there's no need for that. I think I need to write something. Okay, I'll just put my name there. Okay. So I just send the money, guys. Let's wait for it to be verified. Nice one. So it has been verified. They've received the money. So the next thing is for me to get the account. So as you can see, guys, they've sent my login details to my email address. So once I pass this challenge, I'm getting a new one, bro. I'm getting a new one. So that's the main thing. I know that I'm definitely passing the challenge. So let's go. Let me just check the my my inbox, and then I'll log into the account. So guys, I just got my login details right here, and the next thing for me to do now is just log into my dashboard and start trading. But today is Friday and I cannot start trading today. I am going to probably place my first trade next week. So let's see how it goes, man. I just logged into my dashboard. As you can see, I this is the account that I just got, and then they gave me a one phase pay later challenge, a 10K one phase pay later challenge. Awesome, awesome. So I'm going to be documenting everything on this channel, on this page. Make sure that you give this video a like and follow me for more videos like this. If you want to see whether I pass or fail the challenge, but I'm definitely sure that I'll pass the challenge, definitely. So if you want to see that, make sure you follow me and give this video a like.